Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're shooting here from Belgrade, Serbia at the Metropole Palace Hotel, and we're here at the 8th annual Serbia Real Estate and Infrastructure Development Conference, which we're media partners of with Europa Property and with Serbia Monthly. A lot going on. Over 180 people here at the conference today. It's just happening now. The next panel on infrastructure, but we had a great panel on the on cities. The city mayor was here from Niš, and the city architect from Belgrade. So a lot happening. I see the magazines going like crazy. We have so big week here in Belgrade. Cocktail party I think later tonight we'll be hosting as well. Over 180 people at the conference today. So a lot of appraisers, a lot of developers, city officials, government officials. So really, I think just shows and kind of the development of real estate here in Belgrade in Serbia, and really just this is the 8th annual conference, but I've been going to many of them over the years, and it's really a big difference from the first annual. So great to see. We also have a lot coming up. We've got our SEE awards, which now the short list is out, and that's coming up on April 6th in Bucharest at the Radisson Blue Hotel. So if you haven't booked anything for that, definitely book for that now. Nominations are all in, record number of nominees. That's coming out April 6th, of course. May 11th, we have our CEO awards here in Serbia. So we have it's our launch party, our nomination launch party. We definitely want to invite you all for that. If you're going to be in Belgrade, let us know. We'd definitely like to have you come for that and learn what we're doing there. A lot of CEOs coming, a lot of interesting things on that. Then on May 18th in Prague, we have our retail conference, retail networking, and Marketplace, very good for Central Eastern Europe, Southeastern Europe. And right after that, our Baltic Awards in Sopot, covering all the Baltics, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Poland, anything around the Baltic Sea, so the Scandinavia and the Nordics. So we definitely would like to have you come that. Also at the Radisson, great hotel there. So having said that, we got a lot going on today, and we'll be broadcasting here from Belgrade, Serbia, the next couple of days. And now we'll take a little break, and we'll go right over to Winston Norman in Warsaw, and we'll talk about the highlights, news highlights on the EuropaProperty.com website.
Good Tuesday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. My name's Winston Norman and here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And today we'll start with a report from Savills, and they say that pricing levels are increasingly attracting North American investors to European real estate. And last year, North Americans invested more than 48 billion euros in cross-border deals compared to 36.6 billion euros a year before. And in the Czech Republic, investors from North America spent 321 million euros, which was 40% above the 5-year average. And according to James Burke, he's the Director of European Capital Markets and Global Cross-Border Investment at Savills, investors with less appetite for risk should focus on strategies targeting income-driven assets in the most appealing locations and sectors in Europe. These should be chosen based on long-term trends, thereby offering greater stability and resilience to market fluctuations. And Fraser Watson from Savills in the Czech Republic and Slovakia added, the situation in the Czech Republic will most probably copy the European trend, with the muted activity until summer and an uptick in activity during the second half of the year. Moving to the industrial sector, and the MLP Group have posted good financial results for the year. This is confirmed by their performance last year, which the group's net assets value went up 37% to around 530 million euros. MLP is now developing in Poland, Germany, Austria, and Romania. And the group's existing portfolio comprises of 21 logistics parks, and its strategic goal remains to expand the warehouse portfolio by developing big box facilities and urban logistics projects. Staying in the logistics industry, and GLP has completed the third building at the Poznan Airport Logistics Centre. This is the final stage of the project, which now offers more than 81,000 square meters of warehouse and production space. And the building this latest building in the park offers around 29,000 square meters and meets the BREEAM certification requirements. And according to Pavel Soromsky, business development manager at GLP, with the park now completed, we look forward to offering the remaining space to our customers who can benefit from its high specification and best-in-class sustainability features. And finally, for today, Magdalena Kowalska has been appointed as the new Chief Operating Officer at LCP Properties in Poland. Magdalena will be tasked with managing and developing the M-Park, MMK and M Multipark brands on the Polish market. And according to James Fife, CEO of LCP Properties, with the strengthening of the LCP Properties Poland team, I can proudly announce that we're on the right track to achieve our ambitious goal of 1 billion euros in value for our asset portfolio. And those are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. For more news, please join me again tomorrow.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.